riding with the peoples. Y'all see it. We got Barbie, biker Barbie, whoever. And we got Trinity. And we got him. I don't know him. I seen this, but there's the whole group, a little bunch of people right there. You alright? Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Get your ass out of here.
you are.
Yeah.
Here, I'll get. Just type yours in. Look yourself up.
Alright, that's me. Alright. I also got YouTube too.
Let me give you time.
I got YouTube too, so I'm about to.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. So.
Wanna go walk? Yeah, let's walk around.
Yeah, I'm
right here. No, I'm just kidding.
y'all married fucking gentlemen.
Hey, open my charger.
Hey, this the same one I had when I came back from Louisiana. I had the same one. Oh yeah, you got that Cali going on. All right.
Got that 5.
There you go, Des. Oh, they over here and shit. What's good, fam?
How you doing, man?
What's good, boy?
What's up, bro?
What's good, bro? Chilling.
Oh, I'm hella late.
Oh, you hella late.
It was her. She was
Yeah, no, I'm coming, huh?
Shit. Don't give me that shit.
Hey.
No oil. Yeah, she had no oil, so I had to wait for her. And then I got there and nobody was there.
I got there late, thinking everybody already left. I'm like, alright, I'm just gonna head there.
Free car registration, come on by. We got raffles going on also.
Where's the day?
Come on by, guys. Free car registration. You can't beat that. It's free.
Extreme like DMXing. These boys pussy and they PMSing. People in the city see the movement occurring. Say, my God, I wanna be in that scene. Damn right, you wanna be in that scene. She had the video trying to be in this scene. Used to fantasize about being this scene. Bluegrass girl, but she got big dreams. Can't touch me, I got instincts. Locked in the house, but I'm plotting things. I brought a gang to the party with me. 5 white boys, but they not in sync.
I know a breeder out here that breeds them. That's why I was asking.
Judging will start at area 2.
Same color as my 05 R1.
We like to inspire. When you walk up to the car,
Oh, we got some old school Japanese with the clear cover. Huh? Okay. Those are a little rare. Okay. Monoline cab. It's pretty stock, still basic, nice look, still looking. Like the fact they still gave it life. I got Baby Yoda in the back over here behind my man's. With the shades. With the shades.
badass.
Ooh, I like that moon roof though. That's just clean. Oh. No, this show cars don't be on the road. It's called a show car. Oh, god damn. Oh my.
Double cheeked up on a Saturday afternoon.
That diffuser, that motherfucker. It's full cargo. I'm hella mad. Oh, he got the anime. He got the whole anime thing going on there. That shit crazy. I like the anime feel, bro.
Yeah, just homeboys right here.
You gotta get some of that Demon Slayer in here too, bro.
With me, I get that Playboy bunny shit. I order my shit.
That shit kick ass. Oh my god, bro. She got the thick. Oh my god, bro. I know she paid for it.
I know, but what the fuck?
Bro, I mean, she got so much, man. I'm like, I'm lost, fool. Like, that was the show right there. Hey. Oh, shit. She got that.
Fresh.
I know, he got the fucking dumper. Jeez.
You gotta be all in that.
Uh-huh. All HP builds, bro.
This one though.
I know. He ain't even turbo. He just fucking.
He's not playing, he's just straight.
Fuck nah. He's got all that shit. Let's see speed. I know them motherfuckers are stupid ass. Then he's got the fucking spacer right there in the middle. Between the manifold, the intake manifold.
Here?
Yeah, he's got the spacer right there.
That's
Alright, I haven't left, but I'm doing something real quick, so when I leave, then I'll head there. XL, I guess. Yeah. I guess, yeah. Alright. Hey, check that nigga out at the top up there. Look.
bike?
Yeah.
We could do that?
That's what I'm saying. I didn't. The fuck? They're like an R6.
It is. Man, if I knew we could have done that, I would have done that.
That's how I did my 300 ZX.
You can tell it's a drifter. Straight up drifter.
Literally. The 300 ZX motor is something that's real almost like this. And you can run a single right here, but I ran a dual like this. You gotta get it tuned and shit.
Custom and shit. Hey, no Willie, no Willie.
Willie!
No Willie.
What's up?
You got the easiest bike.
I know, huh? The easiest one, like you can't fuck up, bro.
And if you do, you're gonna get right up. Nothing's gonna happen.
Man, that one ain't too bad either over there with that wrap. That one? Yeah, it ain't too bad. I mean, I wouldn't do stars with that. I most definitely would have did like a planet type thing if I wanted to go like.
The Fast and the Furious one. The black and blue one. The front black and blue.
Yeah. Oh, it's not even wrap. They just sticker bomb. I mean, they just fucking star bomb that bitch. That's cool, but I mean, the stock rims still don't look bad. Carbon
Tell the
fiber.
difference between stock exhaust and custom exhaust.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's most death. It's got some things on there. It says Boost Logic, bro. Boost Logic.
My nigga does big things.
Fucking.
All the GRs.
Uh-huh.
That's right.
That's crazy. The color, I mean, I like the color, don't get me wrong. I just feel like it just be too bland sometimes, depending on what it's on.
out of here.
Yeah, I know.